Very warm greetings from Pwani University. My name is Professor Helen Mondo. I'm the Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of Administration, Finance and Planning. On behalf of my division and on my behalf, I wish to welcome you to Pwani University and also wish to congratulate you for having made the cutoff to join a program at Pwani University. In addition, I wish to thank you for selecting this prestigious university, and I can assure you that you made the right choice because this is a great university and you will enjoy your stay here. As a division, we shall support your stay here, and allow me at this juncture to introduce some of the sections that you will really interact with a lot under this division. First and foremost, we have the Office of the Registrar in charge of Administration and Planning. And under this office, there are various sections that will really work with you to make your stay comfortable. We have the transport section. This section will support you a lot, especially in your field trips, whether they are for curriculum or co-curriculum activities. You will meet officers in that section who will organize, in consultation with the academic division, your trips in and out of the university. We also have a section that maintains your living and learning environment, and that is the maintenance section. Again, you will interact with this team of workers who will keep either your hostels clean, your classrooms clean, will ensure that your learning areas are adequate, appropriate, and well maintained. We also coordinate the accommodation section, and you will meet with a team of janitors, also in collaboration with the academic division, that will ensure that your stay is safe. And at the moment, we are working very hard as a division to try and comply with the requirements of government on how your living areas should be adjusted, and also how your learning areas should be adjusted and reorganized. And we have made strides towards that direction, and I'm sure when we are able to meet face to face, you will find an environment that will be conducive to learning and a stay. I wish to also introduce the finance department, and this is a department where you will also interact a lot on a regular basis, because these are the people who will be concerned with your monies, whether you have paid fees or not. They will advise you on your fee balances and what is required of you to pay. We dedicate a specific office to deal with student finances to make it easier for you to work with this section. Although you may not be physically present because of the prevailing situation of the COVID-19 in the country, I wish to encourage you from where you are to follow the directives that are issued from time to time by the President, the guidelines that are issued by the Ministry of Health on a regular basis, in order for you to keep safe and stay safe so that we at the university will get a chance to meet you whenever it will be possible. We are looking forward to meeting you and working with you, interacting with you as a university, and I therefore encourage you to feel part and parcel of the Pwani University community. Once again, I wish to thank you for choosing to come to Pwani University, and congratulations for that great achievement. Welcome and God bless you.